It's me, Mikey Pipes. I got Gigi the mini golden doodle and Stoli. Well, at least someone loves me. Ah, what a blessed day. Today is Wednesday, March 8th, 2023. A little after, it's 3:15 in the afternoon. What a glorious day. I got a little bit of content recorded. Interactions, me and Peter. We almost finished up the $250,000 bathroom. The radiant looks tits. And I even took a shower today. Check Peter. This out. How was that marinara buffalo chicken slice?
Pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing?
Yeah. It's the best buffalo chicken slice.
How's the garlic knots?
We're good.
Very good. Look, you even like eating the crumbs.
Yeah. Starving.
It's a good time for lunch. Good stuff. It would be nice if Marinara was sponsored the channel, the Uncensored channel. They can just like give us, like, we walk in the door and they give us pizza. And we post it on YouTube.
We're pretty sweet.
Marinara pizza. It's so good. It's so good. All right, it's real good, but marinara. Oh, the bomb. All right, Peter, we have to go to Ace Hardware. Let's go get some stuff that we need. We have to get black silicone for that black bathroom. So I got to fill in a hole for the thermostat because it ain't going to work that way. And then we're going to replace 2 water filters and then go back to the black bathroom. Are you ready? Let's go. Black silicone. And we have tile bits. Can you believe it? They actually had this thing on the security lock on the thing so you can't pull it out.
Yeah, it's weird.
It's crazy. You know what's crazy? How no one has these red things behind me. You know what that red thing is? Red thing.
Oh, the,
Show them. Show the people.
Yeah.
I have the emergency boiler switch, right? Stickers that go over the switches. Name and phone number right there. Look at that. Bow! Bow! You know what? Today's hump day. And my seatbelt's not on. Let me fasten my seatbelt before this stupid thing, that camera by GPS track it, tells me, seatbelt.
It's National Women's Day, too.
When is Latinas Chicas Day?
It's every day.
I need me some Latinas Chicas. You know, I'm going to California this weekend, LA, with the wife. Actually, bringing all the kids.
It's exciting.
Beverly Hills. Yeah, very good friend of mine. I consider my brother. His son got, which I consider like a nephew to me. Got engaged the other day, Sunday night. Yeah, he finally manned up, grew a set of balls, and popped the question to his lady friend. And but she's from LA, Beverly Hills. You know, so a few select group of people were invited to go to LA and have another engagement party there, because that's how we Jews roll. We have a l'chaim, or when they actually got engaged, like a little mini party. And now we're having a real engagement party. Yep.
You guys definitely know how to party.
We know how to party. Yesterday was Purim. It's like the equivalent of Halloween.
Yeah.
Right? And you know what Purim is about?
I don't know exactly what it's about, but I saw some people dressed up.
Yes. So during Purim, which is in March, I think it's the 3rd day or 4th day of a dog, whatever. I couldn't even realize. I don't even know. But Purim is about celebrating the death of Haman, who Queen Esther asked to have killed because Haman wanted to kill all the Jews.
So you're celebrating his death?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah. And we have to give a shout out to Queen Esther, because if it wasn't for her, we'd all be dead.
It's true.
That'd be fucked up.
Shout out Queen Esther.
All right? Just like that motherfucker Hitler.
Yeah, we don't like him.
Yeah, motherfucker. Come on. Just haters. They're haters. That's why. And Haman wanted to kill the Jews because Mordecai didn't want to bow down to Haman when he entered the gates.
I didn't know there was
it's crazy.
A figure named Mordecai.
Mordecai. Yeah, I believe it's Mordecai. I could be wrong.
That's a cool name.
But that's the whole thing. We celebrating, we read the Megillah of Ruth, the whole story, on Purim, the night of Purim, and also the following morning as well, just to celebrate that, because Esther stood up for us and is like, all right, now we're here. Now we drink. Let's go to work. Well, so much for that. That's the beauty of YouTube and just creating video. We just went to the garage door and we entered a code of 0613. That number has significance in the Jewish, I guess, religion because there's 613 commandments or mitzvahs. Not mitzvahs, right? Or like rules, right? Like things like that. So Daniel's calling me right now. Let's pick up that call. What do you think? Do you think, I know you like it, I'm going to show them. Do you think this bathroom's ever going to get done?
I think it will.
I think it will too. So this is the only thermostat that we can find in black that utilizes 2 wires. How noticeable is it?
How noticeable is what?
It's not that noticeable. Hopefully we're okay. If you stand here, you'll be all right.
As long as you close one eye.
Yeah, close your right eye. Close it right now. Oh, see, you're good. Peter. Want to know what's tits?
What?
Let me show you what's tits. Come here, look. Remember this bathroom?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, I know what you're saying.
Bow. By the way, let me tell you something. See, this is how you do radiant. Okay? See? This is how you do. Okay, now you're like ruining the picture, Peter. Okay, there you go. See, look at that. That is perfect. Look.
Quality.
Tell me it's not perfect.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That literally, I couldn't walk a straight line like that even sober on a field sobriety test. And look at that, it's perfect.
Looks like an oven. Perfect.
It does, perfect. You know what's also perfect? The steam generator right there. That we finally got to work.
Sweet.
Thermal Sol, POS. All right, she's boiling water in there. Here it comes.
Where does it come from? This
No.
Oh, it's like it's on.
Let's close the transom. You need a transom and a steam shower. It's like a little dribble. Here it comes. Houston, we have ignition. It does have a funny smell though. It has a funny smell. 4.5 minutes. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. Still got that silicone on my finger. And consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you have a moment, check out my other channel, Mikey Pipes Philanthropy, where we give back to the community, those who can't afford plumbing and heating services. Thank you so much for watching. And also, Stoley. He's got a YouTube channel too, called Stoley's World. So if you're so inclined and you're bored, check out kid-friendly content on Stoley's World. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.